In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Redbubble app. So if you want to log in Redbubble app, it is actually very simple. For that, first of all, launch open Redbubble application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here, Redbubble application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So in order to log into your account, tap on the account icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to your account interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for login and sign up. If you do not have the account yet, you can tap on this option, sign up and create the account for yourself. If you want to log into your account, tap on this option, login. Now after you do that, you'll be able to log into your account. All you have to do is enter your email address or username and password over here. Tap on the field of email address or username. Now you can enter your email address or username over here. Likewise, tap on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your password, tap on this option, forget your password, and you'll be able to recover it. Now after you enter the credentials, tap on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll easily be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Redbubble app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.